Welcome to Upkeep's video series. I'm Ryan Chan, your host and the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Are you eager to understand the key differences between operations and maintenance within a business? Do you want to grasp why these two departments, though different, are equally crucial for a successful enterprise? If so, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of operations and maintenance, exploring their unique functions, goals, and the reason behind their occasional conflicts. Stay with us till the end to discover how good communication backed by data can bridge the gap between these two departments, making your operations more efficient in the long run. Now let's dive into the world of operations and maintenance. These two terms might seem similar, but they have some fundamental differences. You see, maintenance is often considered a subset of operations. It's one of the activities businesses perform to reach their objectives. But these two departments often find themselves at odds with each other. Why? Well, it's all about their different functions. So, what exactly is the difference between operations and maintenance? Operations are the activities you perform to reach business objectives, while maintenance is everything you do to keep equipment in running order. It's like owning a car. You, the driver, operate the car to get from place to place. But your local shop, where you take it in for oil changes, tune-ups, and repairs, that's maintenance. Now let's talk about the goals of these two departments. For operations, the main goal is to make sure their processes are running as much as possible. The more consistently machines run, the higher their productivity and the higher the company's profit overall. They're all about maintaining uptime, and utilization is their main metric for success. On the flip side, maintenance departments are more focused on keeping their own costs down and making sure equipment remains in working order. This often means taking assets offline to make needed repairs. Their metrics for success are cost efficiency and reliability. But here's where the conflict arises. Maintenance tries to take equipment offline before it takes itself offline by breaking down. Operations teams often take a reactive approach to keeping things running, while maintenance tries to take a more proactive approach. And while taking an asset offline for some preventive maintenance could keep expenses down in the long run, some maintenance departments have difficulty communicating that fact to operations. To them, it just looks like productivity is going to take a dive while maintenance technicians complete their work. But in reality, maintenance does have the same goal as operations, keeping the company running and profiting without excess costs. Good communication backed with data can help bridge the gap and make operations more efficient in the long run. So there you have it. Operations and maintenance might have different approaches, but they're both crucial for a successful business. It's all about finding the balance and ensuring good communication between these two departments. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the unique roles of operations and maintenance, their goals, and the importance of bridging the gap between them for efficient operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your business, visit our website at upkeep.com.